Good morning. It is August 1st, 2020, and it is a Saturday, and it is our first review show to go over the words we covered this week. This week we did A, U, B, E, R, G, I, N, E, E, N, T, R, E, P, R, E, N, U, R, I, A, L, S, E, C, E, R, E, T, A, R, Y, A, B, S, C, O, N, D, and P, O, S, T, H, U, M, O, U, S. Aubergine, entrepreneurial, cessatory, abscond, and posthumous. Well, please take tomorrow to reflect on these words, and we will pick up again on Monday. If you have any words that you would like me to cover in a future episode, you can retweet with that word or comment with that word, depending on where you're viewing this. Have a wonderful weekend.